Well, hello there again, beautiful people. Rodney Shropshire coming at you again on a hot and sweaty day. Um, 94 degrees, uh, feels like about 101 or 102. I know I'm not alone. People up and down the East Coast are experiencing these extreme heats. So, if there's anyone, excuse me, that watches the videos that does not believe that we have to protect not only this planet but the environment. Um, go back 30 years ago. Start look at the research that's already been done on global warming. But anyway, let's get back to positive things. Without an ocean or a swimming pool to jump in, uh, even for a sunbum like myself, who is always out and about, um, this is oppressive. So stay cool, all of you beautiful people, um, and stay safe. You know, one thing I can honestly God say is yes, you better hydrate if you're going to be out on the for the 4th of July, which is coming up. But even on days that may not be the best, um, even the birds awaken with a song. So no matter what happened yesterday, uh, a bird always awakens with a song. What is your song in this wonderful, magical journey of life that you're blessed with today? Because one thing that I could say is, for those of you that are younger and those who may be in my age group, it journey isn't about finding out who you are. The journey is about embracing who you have always been. Um, our souls haven't really changed since we were born into this earth, so um, we've always got to look between the layers of life experiences. Sometimes that means acceptance, okay? Acceptance that not everything is meant for you, okay? And if you're watching and you're one of the blessed souls that's still breathing and living and enjoying life today, then count your blessings because there are hundreds of thousands of people today that were here yesterday. They're no longer in these physical bodies today. So just be grateful. I mean, you woke up. Um, hopefully, you found something to be happy about, you know? So, all I can say is yes, be grateful for your life. Now, this video series was hopefully designed to connect some creative, like minded, like conscious people who care about their creativity and what they have to actually show. Um, excuse me. But it's really about the power of unity. Uh, I found out when I did a short video uh, celebrating Pride Month, which totally amazed me. It had the second most likes of any of the videos I've done to date. Uh, had the most comments of any of my videos done to date. So I'm excited about that. But you may never know, okay, the power of a moment until it's a memory. That's a quote from Dr. Seuss. Um, so let's always remember, as artists, to give credit where credit is due. Um, for the people that have inspired us, people still inspiring us, uh, let's just not become some of those people out there that are riding on, as they say, the coattails of others' success. So you be yourself. You do yourself. Okay? But Rodney Shropshire just touching you with you guys on a very hot and humid and sweaty day. Uh, I'm gonna. I've spent more time, in all honesty, even the sun bum that I am. There comes a limit, especially when there's no air flowing, and no ocean waves that we can jump into, no swimming pools in our backyard. Um, so we just take advantage of what we have, which is an air conditioner in my studio that is working awesome and keeping me comfortable. And God bless you. I hope each and every one of you are. But if you don't assume anything, okay? These are times in which some of the people that we love and we care about may not be doing as well as we are. So reach out and touch someone. Someone that you may not have contacted in a while. Someone that you may not have spent time with in a while. Reach out and make sure they're okay. And I say that with all sincerity because uh, a good friend of mine and his son is actually my neighbor, just passed away in Charleston, South Carolina, unexpectedly. And so I'm taking some time to be there and be available for his son uh, and his widow for whatever they need. So watch out for each other. That's all I'm really saying. Just watch out for each other. But in all of this, don't stop being creative. Don't give it. If you've got a song in your heart, if you got a dance you'd like to do, if you've got a poem you want to write, hopefully all of my subscribers understand the power of journaling. But if you haven't started your own personal journal for your personal journey, I hope you will take the time to do so. Because never forget, thoughts are energy. And we control our world with our thoughts. Um, and with our thoughts, we can make it either positive or negative. You know, it's up to us, the caring, the peaceful, the loving people of this earth, to take care of one another Stay in touch. May God bless each and every one of you. And if there's an artist out there that wants to visit and be recognized, just reach out. Especially if you're in my region of my studio where we could do some filming. If there's someone out there that just needs consultants, I send you nothing but, as always, peace, love, and dove, my friend. May God bless each and every one of you. Rodney Shropshire going to sign off again. Until then, make it a great day.